Ethos Life Insurance Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Is Ethos Life Insurance legit? Most people get this wrong, but buying life insurance doesn't need weeks of paperwork. Ethos Life Insurance promises fast, online coverage. But is it legit in 2025? Ethos offers term life insurance policies fully online, with coverage amounts designed for families and individuals. Many applicants receive instant decisions without medical exams. One major advantage is speed. Applications take minutes, not days. The surprising truth is that technology has removed many traditional barriers to life insurance. Another pro is transparency. Pricing is clear and policies are underwritten by established insurance carriers. However, you won't believe what happens next if you have complex health conditions. Some applicants may face higher rates or denial. Ethos also focuses mainly on term life, not permanent policies. In conclusion, Ethos Life Insurance is legitimate and convenient. If you want fast, straightforward term coverage, Ethos is a strong option in 2025.